welcome back to the Fairlane restoration part 5. 5? 5 or 6. Anyway, so I finished welding the seam. I put the first layer of seam sealer down. Got to do some grinding over here, fill some minor holes in the floor here, and then I'm going to vacuum it, tape it, and we're going to finish the seam sealing and get the floor ready for undercoating.
So right now what I'm doing in the video is setting up my floor jack to press my copper welding spoon against the bottom of the floor. Basically what this does is it allows me to weld on my steel floor on top of the copper spoon, which won't burn through or melt away. And then I can kind of build up the small crappy portions of my floor without having to cut out a chunk. Right about now, I decided the floor was too thin in one location. I decided it was just easier to cut the metal out and put some new sheet metal in.
vacuumed and wiped down. My seam sealer is set. I'm gonna start spraying this shit. First, I'm gonna go garage door. Now that I'm higher than a kite, because I wasn't wearing proper breathing shit, I'm gonna go lay down. Okay, so now that I've recovered from my my little trip there last night with the no gas mask, I went out and I got filters for my mask. So next time I'm painting, I'm not gonna get high as shit. The floor is done, officially. Da-da-da-da. Super excited. Finally got the floor done. It looks great. Next step is getting carpet in here, but I'll do some other stuff before I buy the carpets. I think the next step is it's going to be actually getting the 4.6 out of that Grand Marquis. Get it over here cleaned up. I'm gonna have to build some motor mounts. Once the motor mounts are all built, slap her in here. So much work still to do, but I look forward to showing everybody. Catch you later.